There are not a lot of absolutes in water restoration. So much of it is an art. What is water restoration? It's not just about dry, and it's not just about clean. It's about giving people a building that they feel comfortable and safe for them and their families. My name is Jeremy Reets. I did my first water damage December 24th, 1988. If every water damage was the same, I think it'd be completely over this industry. I mean, I've been doing this for over 30 years. It seems like it would get boring, but it never does. Every project is different. So great restorers have to learn how to apply the drying principles that we learn to the scenarios and the people that you find. Drying science is all about how we get moisture out of buildings. We're going to cover a lot of different drying practices. Start with the basics, build to the challenging stuff. I guarantee we're going to challenge you. There's a lot of science. There are a lot of numbers. There are a lot of different pieces of equipment. There are a lot of technical terms. You need more incremental training. You need continuing education, and that's what ReetsTV is designed to do. There's no other program out there that does this. What will this class lead to for you? That will be your story.